What if I told you some AI models are now officially smarter than 99% of humans and they can learn in seconds what takes you years to master? Welcome to the future where intelligence isn't just human anymore. Today we are counting down the top 5 smartest AI models based on official IQ scores, and the results are truly astonishing. We are diving into what some are called the AI Olympics of the brain, and you'll see who is leading the race for artificial intelligence dominance. Welcome to NIIT, where innovation meets insight and your growth takes off. So let's get started. Well, before we get to the rankings, let's answer the obvious question. How do you even measure IQ in machines? Unlike performance benchmarks or coding speed, this is about cognitive intelligence, real reasoning, logic, abstraction, and decision making. These IQ scores are derived from two credible assessments. First, the Mensa Norway IQ test. Yes, the same test used to identify high IQ individuals among humans. Some of these AI models scored higher than 99.9% of people. And second, the offline reasoning test. Well, this pushes AI models through problem-solving challenges, logical puzzles, analogies, and pattern detection, testing how well these systems mimic real human-like thinking. So no, this isn't about how fast they can autocomplete text. This is about how well they can think. Well, let's now take a look at the 5 smartest AI models as of June 2025, based on Mensa and offline IQ test scores. At number 5, we have Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental. With a Mensa score of 124 and an offline score of 115, this version shows major progress from its flash thinking predecessor. This model combines better memory handling, deeper reasoning capabilities, and a smoother multi-step logic. Think of it as a strategic thinker, designed more like a chess grandmaster than a sprinter. At number 4 is Claude 4 Opus by Anthropic. It earned a Mensa score of 119 and an offline IQ score of 116. Well, this model is known for its ethical reasoning, contextual depth, and more balanced outputs. Claude 4 is built not just to be intelligent but also to be aligned, making it ideal for high trust environments. At third, we have OpenAI O4 Mini. Despite being labeled as mini, this model posted an impressive 126 on the Mensa scale and 102 in the offline score. Well, it's a compact yet powerful system designed to be efficient without sacrificing intelligence. Its strength lies in being lightweight but still smarter than the average person. Next is Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking, the experimental version. It recorded a Mensa score of 128 and an offline score of 108. Well, this model emphasizes speed and responsiveness, hence the name. While it doesn't surpass OpenAI O3 in raw cognitive strength, it excels at reactive intelligence, ideal for real-time applications and adaptive problem solving. So now, the moment you have been waiting for, the smartest AI model as of June 2025. Number 1 on the leaderboard, OpenAI O3, is scoring an incredible 133 on Mensa and 117 on offline IQ. It stands as the undisputed champion. Well, this model isn't just fast or ethical, it's brilliant. With a mind for abstraction, multilingual finesse, and top-tier reasoning, OpenAI O3 is widely hailed as the Einstein of AI. Well, let's now break down these top 5 models side by side. Claude 4 Opus, Mensa IQ 119, offline IQ 116. Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental, Mensa IQ 124, while offline IQ 115. OpenAI O4 Mini, Mensa IQ 126 and offline IQ 102. Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental, Mensa IQ 128 and offline IQ 108. And finally, OpenAI O3, Mensa IQ of 133 while offline IQ of 117. From this, a few patterns emerge. OpenAI O3 clearly dominates in the raw Mensa score, making it the most intellectual, potent AI on paper. Claude 4 Opus appears to be the balanced with strong and consistent performance across both IQ tests. Meanwhile, the Gemini series, especially the 2.5 Pro version, is rapidly evolving, showing promise in both speed and depth. So, while OpenAI might lead in the sheer reasoning power, other models are catching up with specialization that suit different tasks. It's not just about being the smartest overall, but being the best at the job you are built for. So why should any of this matter to you? Well, because these are the models powering your everyday life, sometimes without you even knowing. They are behind the chatbots you talk to, the code you autocomplete, the emails you summarize, and even the research you rely on. They are reshaping industries from healthcare to finance to education. They are accelerating how we write, how we learn, and even how we make decisions. And as their IQ increases, so does their influence. The smarter they get, the more deeply they'll integrate into how we work, how we solve problems, and how we communicate. Whether you are a student planning your future, a professional adapting to new tools, or a developer building the next generation of products, knowing what these AI systems are capable of and where they stand in terms of intelligence gives you an edge. And understanding AI is no longer optional, it's essential. Well, OpenAI O3, Claude 4, Gemini, each brilliant in its own way, but which one impressed you the most? Tell us in the comments, and if you would like to see deeper breakdowns of how these models are used in real life, make sure to subscribe. Because at NIIT, the future isn't far away, it's just easier to reach. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.